clout again. Another rapper talking about his hoes again. What about the common man? You know the one who works his ass off on his 9 to 5, man. How many songs can you make about flipping bricks? Before half of your audience is like, I'm sick of this. Open your eyes, it's 2026. Nobody in my hood around here is getting rich. We robbing Peter, knowing we have to pay Paul. Knowing here soon, your income might stall. And all my rappers, I want all y'all to elevate and never get to a point where you cannot relate. I don't know what you be on, I don't know and I don't care. You be doing the most, homie, I cannot relate. All the money that you made, homie, I cannot relate. All the bottles that you pop, homie, I cannot relate.